Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? This is about as far, so I'm in the woods today, as you can see. I'm actually right side of the road campsite. One I've shot videos at before, but this is actually as far as I got. I went up the hill, I went up the road more to out to the airfield, and there was someone camped right where I was gonna go. Well, closer, well, they weren't right at where I was gonna go, but they were close enough. I wasn't feeling it, so I just came down the road and stopped here, and then this site happened to be open, although it's not my preferred because it's right by the road. You can hear road noise, which you can, you get basically every side of the road campsite along this road. There goes one now. 2, 3. So my plans today were to do a fire and get some lunch cooked, and man, I guess as soon as I got out here, motivation just mew. So I'm noticing it's happening more and more lately. I don't know what's going on. Usually I feel like I was a little bit more driven just a couple years ago, but maybe I don't know if it's age, but maybe I just needed some fresh air and sunshine to recharge the old battery before I could actually stomp back into it. Plus, I was looking around for wood, but because this is a popular campsite, it's pretty much picked clean. I mean, I could go drop a small tree if I could find one that's standing dead, but then the idea of having to sit there and cut up firewood is like, I don't know if I want to spend the energy. So, I don't know. I can show you my view at least. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Got a big tree with a stump right here that's stretched out. This big tree right here. You can see the root system hanging over it. You could walk right across the river if you wanted to. You can probably hear World War III going on up the road because there's a lot of people out shooting today. But I mean, it's a gorgeous day. I mean, you can see the nice blue skies. And this is about as far as I got. Maybe tomorrow I'll be more motivated. Get out and actually get something done. Maybe I just need a day to recharge if I don't get called into work, which could be part of the problem is I just work too much. So who knows? Just thought I'd share my thoughts. I just got my chair out, kicking back. It's nice and sunny. Rather enjoyed the drive out. Enjoyed the little time in the woods, but just didn't feel like doing anything else. So, you ever wish you could just fly? I just had a random thought while I was sitting here. It's like, man, I wish I could just fly straight ahead and just fly right between that tree there and this tree here, and just fly right through and just follow the river bank, just follow the river here, and just all the way up to the mountain. I'm pretty sure it's runoff from Rainier, I think. Pretty sure. It's all that snow melt. It'd be cool just to, even if you weren't flying very fast, like maybe 20-30 miles an hour, it'd be cool just to cruise up the river valley. Of course, I'd take a camera with me because that would be tight. I guess that was a random thought, but I was thinking, man, I wish I could just take off from this chair and just follow the river. Maybe find some nice campsites too, like get your bag ready and just park somewhere, and then just fly up and over the valley and just boom, campsite. Hopefully it'll be quiet out there too. No gunshots. So I just been sitting here, lost in thought. Maybe this is just all I needed today. I just needed to just stop and just breathe in some fresh air, in car exhaust. Look at some sunshine, look at some trees, breathe in the fresh air, recharge your old battery, Because I'm not, you know what I mean, bored sitting here. I'm just enjoying the Dirt Time TV. I guess I could turn it and show you. This is all I've been working at. I haven't even moved my chair or changed my view. Those trees have been standing there longer than I've been alive. Having to endure all the weather, rain, wind, snow. Well, except for that one that died, but I don't know if you can see that standing dead one. It's like right in the middle of these four. So, listening to the river go by. So yeah, good times. What I think I'm probably going to do is I'm just going to sit here a little longer. Just reflect on my own thoughts a bit. Enjoy the sunshine, which is hitting me again. Peeking through the trees. Maybe I'll take a stab at this tomorrow. Take another go. See how I'm feeling when I wake up. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Sorry it wasn't the most exciting video, but you know, what are you gonna do? I almost didn't even turn the camera on. I was just gonna sit here and just stare out in the woods, but thought, I'll bring it anyway, and then ended up shooting this. So, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.